Peace and blessings be upon you. Today's video is about something someone very close to me recently asked. He said, "You've got this incredible presence. People meet you once, and they don't need to want to let go. What's your secret? How do you drive people crazy about you?" He's known me for 25 years and has seen me work with people from over 100 nationalities. He said, "You're celebrating 25 years of this journey, your silver jubilee. You are connecting the dots, sharing your experiences, empowering people. But tell me honestly, how do you make people love you so much?" So I told him, "All right, I'll share it in a video, because maybe others can learn from it too. This journey of mine, it's not just about healing anymore. Now, it's about empowerment. I want you to heal, yes, but more than that, I want you to be empowered." Just this morning, I got a call from one of my clients in the US. She said, "I talked to you back in December, and the advice you gave me changed my life." She was dealing with an abuser, and she told me, "You taught me not to break people, not to walk away in pain, but to rise above and handle things with strength. I used to chase after people, beg for attention and get hurt. But now, I've learned." She thanked me, and I told her, "You've made my day. What a beautiful way to start the morning." So coming back to my friend's question, how do I leave such a deep impact on people? Here's what I told him. And now I'm telling you, whenever you meet someone, anyone, make them feel important. Not just respected, not just heard. Make them feel seen. Make them feel like they matter. This is something a lot of people don't know how to do. They meet others with judgment, arrogance, or indifference. But if you want someone to truly connect with you, make them feel special. Make them feel like they are the hero of the moment. That's my secret. That's what I do, every single time. Even in long videos like this, I know some people get overwhelmed and want something short and spicy. But real learning takes time. So hang in there with me. Now listen, when you degrade someone, they pull away. But when you lift them up, when you make them feel seen, they are drawn to you. It's not manipulation, it's sincerity. That's how relationships are built. The sad part is, most people don't even know what a real connection looks like. Many so-called experts give toxic advice like, ignore them, make them chase you, devalue them. That's not how you build love. That's how you break people. You want someone to fall for you? Then uplift them. Make them feel like they're worth something. I do it with everyone, not just in romantic relationships. My mom once told me, "When I'm with you, I feel like I'm someone special, like I matter." My dad says the same. My brothers, my friends, even my wife. She tells me, "When I'm around you, I feel like I'm the only woman in the world. Like no one else matters." And people ask me, "Where did you learn this? How do you do this?" Here's how. When I talk to someone, I actually listen. I don't fake it. I pay attention. I don't play mind games or keep score. I make a conscious effort to make them feel valued. I don't interrupt. I don't belittle. I don't make them feel small. That's why, when someone meets me once, they want to meet me again. And again. And again. That's why the relationships I build, they don't break easily. They last. It's because I offer something real. No manipulation. Just genuine presence. I give people what they don't usually get in this world. Respect, attention, and honor. I don't have a million friends, but the ones I do have, they're deeply connected to me, because I'm intentional about my relationships. I know this is my strength, and I want to share it with you. I want you to give this gift to others. And look, It's easy to fall into the trap of giving people back what they give us. If they're disrespectful, we're disrespectful. If they ignore us, we ignore them. But that's a vicious cycle. That's revenge, not healing. Someone disrespects you. You don't have to lower yourself. Break the cycle. Don't repay pain with more pain. Repay it with wisdom. Even if someone has wronged you 1,000 times, if they show one act of kindness, acknowledge that. Don't cross out their entire existence because of their flaws. That's the problem today. We cancel people too fast. One mistake, one disagreement, and we cut them off. We're quick to end friendships, break marriages, block people, ghost them. But real strength, real love, it comes from honoring the goodness in others, even when they're flawed. So remember, if you want to make people crazy about you, don't manipulate. Make them feel like they're worth something. Make them feel seen, valued, and appreciated. That's what they'll never forget. That's what they'll come back for. That's how you build a bond that lasts.